Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel, and here your host Muhammad Imran. Today I am going to show you how to download and install video and audio converter. As in this era we have a lot of concern with video and audio, something else like we download video from YouTube and we want to play over LED or something else where these formats are not compatible. So this video contains a lot of steps to download and how to install and how to use this video and audio converter. So focus on it. First of all, you have to go google.com. When you write google.com, then here you have to write abc from download from file hippo. As many of you know about the file hippo, so when you will write on it, first link is download any video converter. Okay, when this page will open in front of you, then you just have to click here, download latest version, and it contains 49.3 MB and it will take some time. So when your file will be completed successfully, then go to that destination where you choose the file. Okay, so when you will successfully download this file, as I have already, then go to that folder here, so software, this is my location. So you can see that here is the file abcfree.exe. This is the exe file. So double click on it, then it will ask you a prompt message that yes, and when you will press yes button, then the installation will start. Okay, is containing a lot of information, and here you can see that this contains this option that enrich your daily entertainment, install now, and you have to check the accept button, and you can also customize install, but I don't want it, then just install. Then I don't want to install Opera, then you have to uncheck. If you want to install, then you can use it. So I don't want, I agree, next. So it will take some time to complete its installations, so just be patient. So until this is completing, let's toward to my YouTube channel and blog. So this is my blog where I have posted regularly, and these are some of my videos, and these are some of my tutorials for you all. And thank you for my subscribers, and thank you for my commenters, and who is daily watching my videos and sharing views about their experiences. So if you want to view my blog, then you can write here, online computer tutorials 05005.blogspot.com. when you will enter, then you can see my channel. Okay, and this is my blog, and these are all videos related to my tricks, and that's Facebook tricks. So there is a video of Facebook trick, you can see here, Facebook if you want to hide mutual friends, and there are many more. And if you want to visit my YouTube channel, then go to youtube.com, and here you can write here Muhammad Imran Emi, and when you will write this, and Muhammad Imran Emi, and this is my YouTube channel, online computer tutorials. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and this is essential if you want to get touch with my channel and with my updates. So you have to click on subscribe. So these are my videos, and there are also some playlist. You can also see this, there are some playlist, and there are videos and many more. So this is my channel, don't forget to subscribe it, and just be updated with my channel. So let's come again, and so installation is complete, so let's start now. Okay, if you don't want to start now, then just finish and I want to start it, so let's start it. When I click on start now, then it will take some time, and here you can see the interface of any video converter. Okay, so this is the latest version. So there are some options: add disk, add video, add URL, and many more, and we will discuss it later. And we update my channel, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.